What up, YouTube? It's your boy West G. You're rocking with my YouTube channel at West Gains. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell to show your support. Let's go. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy West G, and I'm coming with some monstrous content for you today. Big monstrous type content. I mean, do the car match the shoes or do the shoes match the car? Which is it? I don't know. You tell me. We'll be right back. What's good, YouTube? I'm back. We out here at this Wayne car show. Had to slide out. Got my guy Slim out here with me, man. With the shot green Marrow. Y'all gonna see his joint in a minute, but look at this. 392. Very nice. Big legendary. Then we got the purple joint over here too. Ooh, look at it. Look at it. But that green is hitting just right with the rims on it. Look at the wheels. And then he got the hood wrapped black, matte black. Anybody that knows me knows I never had respect for Mustangs, but now in 2020, you have to. You gotta respect them. Whether it's the GT350 or the GT500, you gotta respect it. They did a good job with this one right here, and they definitely fast, big fast. You can't go wrong with them. He took it back with the F1 Limited. I thought that was the Mark LT for a minute. Regal. You can never go wrong with the Regal. Big classic, old school. Then we got the Fox body Stang over there. It's a good day. It's a good day. And the car is looking right. You got your old school and the new school out here today. So that's what you gotta expect from every car show. You're gonna have the old school, you're gonna have the new school, you're gonna have the bikes. You're gonna have every make and model.
Another Stang.
Another Stang. Another Cobra. I should say a Cobra. The last one was a GT350. This one's a Shelby Cobra. Previous year model, but it's still a go. It's still a go. GT500, you can't go wrong with them. State troopers is out here crazy today. They making it hard to have a good time, but we're gonna get it worked out. Ooh. Big classic. With the SVT little group of Mustangs. The Falcon, big classic right there too. Then you got you always got your little rice burners out here on that bullshit. But they gonna do what they do, so you just gotta expect it. Big classic right here. Ooh, look how low that thing is sitting over there. So low. Oh my goodness. That joint right there is sitting on the ground. Literally. I don't even think I get my fingers up under there. But this is what we came down here in right here. The slime green. I like to call it. Oh, as you can see, they're not playing. The slime green, I like to call it, but it's called shot green. I mean, like I said earlier, is the shoes matching the whip or is the whip matching the shoes? We're gonna come back to that. Y'all definitely, that one's definitely gonna get reviewed on the channel. Don't get him to throw me the keys to that one. Don't throw me the keys to that one for sure. We're gonna make that happen. That one's definitely gonna get reviewed on the channel. Yeah. I don't know what to call it, but I like it. I'll take it home. Huh? Why not? Why not? I'm gonna move around a little bit, try to get into a better spot where we can see some more whips, and then I'm gonna check y'all in a second. All right, we'll be right back. All right, I'm back. We got the old school squad over here. All the old schools. If you a fan of old schools, this is definitely your type of time. I've never really been an old school guy, but I always had to respect them. I mean, especially in the hood, that's all you see. The Monty SS. Can't go wrong with the SS. Sitting very high. Shining very hard. You see the squad. Inktown Riders. You can't go wrong with the money. The money always been a classic. I mess with them hard. Like I said, never been a huge fan of old schools, but you always have to respect the money for sure. Got another one, the Dayton spokes on there.
But it's going down.
It's going down. It's going down.
You know what I'm talking about? We got all night.
Yeah.
So hopefully it get better. Oh yeah. You know? But usually at this time, this volume be at least 3 times.
Oh yeah. It's always cranking.
Oh, yeah. I come every year and it's usually packed. Okay. So it's gonna hopefully later it gets better.
Once it gets a little darker, it'll get better.
Yo, I had to get the camera back on for the I-8. Look at it. Oh my God, big legendary. Oh my God, look at it. I see you, champ. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, he did that one right. Just right. He did that one just right. Yeah, for sure. It all goes together perfectly. The blue, the gray, the black.
Is that BMW?
That's a BMW. That's the I-8. It's crazy that car is electric. To be as fast as it is. Like,
Oh, it's electric?
That's an electric car, man. Yeah. It's nuts. Old school Mero. Yeah. 442. Another old school Mustang just pulled in. Looks like Eleanor almost. It looked like he had some trouble driving the stick. The classic game don't stop. Got a big monster coming up over the hill. Don't run him over now. That thing is hitting. Cammed up. Gotta be. Look at it. Look at it. That thing is ready to run over anything and everybody that's in the way. So get the fuck up out the way. He used to have a license plate that says, "Move, bitch, get out the way." My thing is, are we gonna catch some burnouts? Is the question. Ooh, good SRT. What is that? Is that the Hellcat over there? Yep. Good Hellkeezy. I'm feeling the color too. Definitely. Got the Demon pulling up. Wide body, of course, with it being a Demon. Mandatory. Ooh, my God. Got 840. Got 840 on the plate. Oh yeah, no doubt. No doubt. It's crazy the difference between, like, you look at the Demon and you look at the Hellcat, like that wide body that's on the Demon, I feel like that's exactly how that car was supposed to look from the beginning. Like the Hellcat still looks good, but now that they're doing wide bodies on other cars, like the Hellcats and the Scat Packs, like I think it looks so much better.
Oh yeah, I seen it. I seen the Scat Pack the other day.
That wide body is perfect though. That's exactly how that car was meant to look. Alright.
Alright, let's go to another area.
Hop in the car. We're about to ride to another spot. Might be able to give y'all a couple of quick little good pulls, but like I said, the state troopers is out here like crazy, so we'll see. back in a minute. As you can see, the show don't stop. Big classic with the C5 over here. Aftermarket hood. Definitely feeling the money green. The hood ain't functional, but it still look dope. The big gas over here with the Wrangler. You can never go wrong with the Wrangler. This is one of the cars that will hold value forever. If you ever purchase a Wrangler, it's going to be worth some money, period, hands down, because they don't change them that much. Definitely something I've been considering as the next car. Cobra. Oh, and I just missed the burnout. I just missed the burnout on the old. Oh my goodness, on the old school Charger. I just missed the burnout. But yeah, this right here though, definitely feeling the joint right here. Definitely, he's smoking them up again. Like I'm just missing all the action. Like, okay, alright, old school, big old school, driving the old school. This Cobra though, I'm gonna come back to this Cobra, man. Let's walk over here and see what's going on with big old school, driving the old school. Not playing with them at all. That's action. I'm in. You see the smoke still coming off the joint. The Road Runner. Big classic, big classic. And is it the manual or has he got the slapstick? Oh, he got a slapstick in that boy. You're not playing with him. Not at all. Right.
Hey, what up? Hey, bro. Right, man. Oh, I got a car. So we're walking around, me and my buddy Ron. Oh, yeah, my daughter and everything.
He said, give me space. Let me park this joint.
Fuck, dog, he's even got the plate, dude.
I don't even know what it is, but I just know I see it, whatever it is. That's the joint off the what movie was that? Where it was on some Twisted Metal type. Man, I can't even think of the movie, man.
Sweet, dude.
Yeah, that joint was nice. The old SRT joint. Another old SRT8. Ventura. Ooh, and he got the LS1 in there. You know what I'm saying? They got the super classic over here. The super black on black classic. And you know they're not playing games. Look at it. You see the B&M shifter, right? You see all the gauges. They're not playing at all. There's no games being played in this car. And you see the race seat with the race seat buttons. There's no games being played. We get a front, and then you get a full understanding. You get a complete, full, and 100% understanding of what's going on. Big legendary. And then the demon. I don't even got to talk about the demon. I don't even got to say nothing about it. Y'all know what's up. I'm going to just give y'all a moment of silence and scroll across. That's all you need to see right there. Yeah, we've been out here for what, maybe an hour? Yeah, probably like an hour. Huh? Today? Today? I'm bumping into my dog Tony. This joint's sitting extra high with the Forgiatos on it. How big the Forgiatos, man? What's this, 30s? 26? 26-inch Forgiatos on the joint. You can see them, man. It's perfect with the white paint. And you can't go wrong with the Forgiatos. You see how high it is. You gotta have a step stool to get in it. If she try to get out without a step stool, she gonna fall and break every ankle in her body. It's over for her. Yeah, that joint is legendary. Big legendary right there. Definitely might have to go with you on that one too. For sure. All right, Tone. It's good seeing you, bro. Yep. But the color is basic. Type legendary.
Shock
Easy
green.
over there.
Shock green.
That boy is Benny Hanna.
gonna run you over.
That thing is huge, man. Alright, y'all, that's it for today's vlog. I was out spending some time at the car show around one of the things that I love most, cars, of course. So I wanted to share that with y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed what y'all saw. You know it was legendary. I'm sure you enjoyed it. Until next time, peace. Boom.